Here's how to connect LinkedIn to Claude AI using Zapier as a bridge. Open the Claude desktop app and click your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Go to Settings, then Connectors, then Browse Connectors. Search for Zapier and click the plus button to add it. Sign in with your Google account and follow the prompts. When asked about job type and team size, answer honestly or choose the closest option. Click Allow to grant permissions. Now, open a new browser tab and go to Zapier.com. Sign in if needed. On the left sidebar, click MCP Server, then Add Tool. Search for LinkedIn and select it. Click Select Tools at the top left and check Select All Tools to enable all available features. Click Connect next to LinkedIn. Confirm on the next page and click Yes, Continue to LinkedIn. Sign in to LinkedIn with your Google account. Confirm your selection, scroll down, and click Allow. Click Add Tools to finish. Go back to Claude. Your LinkedIn connection is now active. You can ask Claude to pull LinkedIn data, summarize profiles, analyze connections, and more directly in your conversations. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.